So here, this is our site. People asking in question how to add the content on your website. It is called, if I'm clicking for home page, what the content is there? This is only for basic content. How to edit the content, how to update on your site. Any content update on your pages, first any content will be visible by images. Next you will be adding for content. Here, any WordPress site, we can add image will be two areas. One is called SEO purpose, second will be social media purpose. One is called SEO, second will be social media purpose. First we can go to WordPress. What is my first name is called home page. The option call is pages. Click for home page, click for edit. First I can remove from existing content, copy, delete. After that, add your image, upload on your WordPress homepage. So I can go for this. I'm adding image. The image will be, size will be, you can decide yourself based on the theme. The size you will always remember. Alignment will be always center. Here, see this one. Medium, large, and full size. Always you can keep it on the large. Or else, it is a customize. It is called customize. But here showing any customize here, they can't show in the customize. Or where it happen customize. The customize happen when updating your photograph. So I'm updating my photograph inside into page. Done. So image is so large. Simple. Go for edit. Come here. What is called? Customize size. Always remember customize size enable for after updating. Before updating, customize will be not accepted. Why? Because the theme is not eligible for that image. They go for customize. Or else the customize option will be not showing to the your WordPress. So in this one, I'm selecting for 750 update. I can add in for this image. Okay, this is only for customize size. After I'm selecting for title, any title when uploading on your website, first place on your notepad. After that, paste on your website. After paste this content, we can implement on your heading tag, that will be heading 3. The content always will be heading 3 category. Now after click for update. Why? Because all the existing page I can click for updation, that is called update. If you create new page, that is called publish. I'm clicking for update here. Now previous any content is there, that is called refresh. Done image. But in a WordPress, one logic is there. If you add image, will be two options. One is SEO purpose, second will be social media purpose. That is called, the image will be called in social media set as featured image. These are mandatory field. If the file is not adding, is not showing for social media, when sharing for Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, the image is not appear properly. They can't, people can't read your content. So that is called add here. See the difference. If adding the content along with image, will be showing for your size and alignment. Is showing any alignment? No, any sizes is a fix. What the image size? They say take by date image size like this. Now click for update. This future image will build from two areas. Website has a dynamic purpose. Second will be promotional social network purpose. Two scenario. Any content adding WordPress, image will adding for two areas. One is the content part. Second will be set as a future image. The set as future image will be, one is called social media purpose. So one is called social media purpose, second will be in your content purpose. So I'm adding for one, I'm adding for second image. Click for update. Now you can refresh. This is your header part. This is using for in this option for your content part. This is your social media. This is your content part. Suppose if you're not interested to adding this image for your content, the simple option is called click for remove update on your option. Suppose you are showing for image will be two areas. So remove that area and show only for content part. In social media time adding for customize. Is it clear? So any content adding the image will be two areas. One is called your content, second we're using for your social media purpose. So here, if your content will be available, select the particular menus or else create new menu. Option call is create the content. So here I'm selecting for this option. I can fulfill adding the content here. This is totally in-depth content. So I'm adding image. So alignment, your size, done. Paste it. Begin using for notepad. Now click for update. Now come into your site. Click for content updated here. This is services. This is option and this is your service option. Is it clear? So this is called update on your content on your pages. But always remember any content is implement for your along with the images. That is called your brand identity along with your image title.